How to turn off stages notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off stages notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then notifications, and here click stages, and if you want to turn it off, just turn everything off and go back and it will be saved. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.